Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to change Subway Surfers theme. So without any further ado, let's get started. Update the game. Go to the App Store or Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Search for Subway Surfers. If an update is available, tap the update button. The game will install the latest World Tour version with a brand new theme or map. Play during the limited time events. Themes often change with special events like holidays or anniversaries. These usually include new characters, boards, and background visuals. You can tap on the event button to check if there is an ongoing event. Wait for the next World Tour stop. The game automatically rotates theme every few weeks. Just stay tuned and a new city will arrive soon. And that's how you can change Subway Surfers theme.